Anyone pouring time, money, and hope into education, pay close attention. Your darkest hour might already be here. If your last name opens doors and money isn't a concern, you can scroll on. But if your future depends on your diploma and your skills, stay with me, all the way to the end. Recently, Silicon Valley went through massive layoffs. It looked like bad news, but the markets told a different story. Big tech stocks surged. That sends a chilling message. The logic of capital has changed. Not long ago, companies saw Ivy League grads and academic elites as human capital. A high GPA meant high value. The better the degree, the more you were worth. But now it's computing power that's valuable. AI powered by massive processing capability can easily replace much of what traditional white-collar elites do. To capital, many highly educated workers are no longer assets, but liabilities. The skills your child studied day and night to master may lose to a graphics card that works 24/7 without needing sleep. So if your plan is still, pick a hot major, land a job at a top firm, work your way up the ladder. Wake up. That path is rapidly closing, no matter where you are. If you have the privilege to invest in higher education, then you owe it to yourself or your child to find a new map and adopt a new way of living and working. Here are 3 principles that can actually prepare someone for the future. 1. Don't just specialize, hybridize. AI will always outperform specialists in narrow tasks. You need to become a fusion thinker. Blend unlikely fields together. A biologist who understands machine learning. A software developer who curates culture. Your value isn't in doing the task. It's in defining the problem and connecting the dots. 2. Earn in places where screens can't compete. Anything that runs through screens and data pipes, AI will dominate. But anything that requires real-time trust, emotion, or human judgment, that's where humans still win. So stop obsessing over textbook perfection. Push yourself or your child into real-world messiness. Tough conversations, difficult partners, persuading people who don't want to be persuaded. Build the kind of leadership where things stop working when you're not there. 3. Use your safety net to go off the standard path. If you have a financial cushion, use it strategically. Don't rush to pay back the degree in year 1. Instead, use this buffer to explore, test ideas, take smart risks, combine your skills, global awareness, and cultural fluency to build something rare and truly your own. In the future, a diploma is just the key to the door. If you really want to protect your future or your child's, don't cling to the paper. Build the ambition and ability to master the tools, especially AI. We support learners from year 0 to 13, online or in person. Visit us at Level 2, 101, Apollo Drive, Rosedale, Auckland, or join one of our live online sessions, 7 days a week. Come in for a no-pressure chat or a free tour, and let's explore how we can support your journey. Ready when you are. Let's talk.